Hi, good evening, everyone. Good evening, traders. My name is Nash, and I'm one of the traders also. But I'm an independent mentor. I train beginners become a pro and make profit. You know, so I'm from Malaysia, and I have a lot of friends trading. So I'm making this video just to share. Actually, I'm on the beach, so I'm using phone. Anyway, just let me change my spot. 1 minute. Okay, so now I'm going to explain to you. I don't have a lot of time. I need just 5 minutes of your time to listen carefully. That being a trader, forex trader, you need to become a water. Water means you can adapt what market price is, that volatile, or is it downtrend for too long, uptrend for too long. You need to adapt, so you need to find strategy. You don't need to stick one strategy. You need to have a lot of strategy to penetrate on different pairs, different price, different trend. So basically, this is my phone. I'm going to show to you. I want to share this one. Bagaimana, how you going to trade using the news and using your phone, especially if you are on vacation. So you want to make money a bit, you can. So this video I want to share is about how to trade using news. And based on my experience, I know what the candlestick pattern is, a trend line, so resistance and support. That's all you need. So I was looking at my computer, and I was gave time 30 minutes to read the news a bit, and I've been following the trend. So that's why I'm confident to show you this one, and I'll be here to guide you if you need assistance. I'm one of the trading also in FBS. FBS is one of the best broker. So from Southeast Asia, mostly I have trainees, different country. So I'll teach them how to trade. So basically, let's talk about that one later. Anyway, to trade in forex using news, you need to have an application. So I have my Apex book application, which I can see the economic calendar directly. I can use forex factory as well. I can use anything. So in FX calendar, you can see there's a yesterday, today, tomorrow, this week. So I'm only focusing on the high volatile because I'm not totally trading 8 hours or 24 hours. I just trade what's the best and just follow the trade, momentum trade. So sometimes I wait, and you need to understand the news a bit, but it's slowly, if you can read and understand, no problem. So going to show you now the FX calendar is. I can see the previews and the forecast, so they will give you what's going to happen and what might happen and what actually happened. So this is FX calendar. I have the forex economic calendar already have. I have news, this one, investing.com. I'm not going to remove it. So I have this news as well, and that's it. And let's see the price then. So as you can see, we are trading. This is Euro USD. On my computer, I've been watching this Euro USD. I'm hoping that this price is going to go down, but due to speech, FOMC speech Thursday, there's a bit high and going up and down. That's the news. Sometimes it go up, sometimes it go down too much, or sometimes it go up too much. So I don't have a lot of time. I'm going to explain to you this one, everything, how to trade news using candlestick pattern and trend line. So this trade is about how we're going to trade. So being a trader, you're not going to trade directly, jump into the water. No, You're not going to jump into the water. You need to test it first, test it if it's hot, panas ka atau tidak, before you jump. And if you are a trader, if you trade, though, you don't need to trade exposed 20-30%. No, you need to expose at least 5%, 2%. On me, I expose 1%, 2%. Sometimes I use martingale strategy, averaging strategy. I trade big, so it depends how you take the risk. But sometimes, taking risks is not losing opportunity, but it's better to not take the risk and trade slowly, learn, because we're here to teach you. And you have a lot of friends. There's a lot of opportunity for you to learn, trust me. So now I'm going to show you the news today. This unemployment change, it was negative, so worse than expected. So that's why the euro went down this afternoon. I saw it, but I didn't trade because I was expecting this initial job claims, gross domestic product, and good trades balance for US dollar data, and FOMC member meeting speech. So this is really volatile, what I'm saying. It's really amazing. And tomorrow there will be a Fed Yellen speech. But if you are trading in the news, means you need to choose if it's going up or going down only. What I'm saying is basically you're gambling. If you're a gambler, then just choose, right? But if you have experience, you need to wait for the news to come out sometimes before you trade, like what I'm doing now. So so you can see euro unemployment change is negative. Initial job claims today, it's 10:25 p.m. by the way, in my time, Asia Pacific, so Southeast Asia. So it's plus GMT 7. In US dollar, it's morning, 8:25 morning. So the bank is open, the US dollar momentum is with them, so everything is possibility. It's good for US dollar, but it depends on day. So I'm going to explain to you what day, what time frame is the best time for you to trade, what currency you are concentrating. If you're working, if you're working 8 hours, you need 2 hours, 3 hours just to make money. There's a time frame, and there's a pairs that you need to understand what type of pairs or commodities you're going to trade. So this is for busy person, you're traders and you have experience already. You need to understand the trend line, basic candlestick pattern, and just follow the trade. Follow the trade by just following. When was it last month? Just make a bit analyze a bit. And remember, being a trader is you need to become a watcher. So, and always trade 2%, 1%. You'll be safe, you'll be okay, because the price is going up or going down. That's it. It's not complicated. So basically, now unemployment change is negative, initial job claims is positive. So this afternoon, it was, what time is this? It was 13:53, 55 at my time. So this application is already on my time frame, so it's really good, right? And it will pop up if there's a news. Then it was negative, bad for euro. And to this evening, 8:30, the US dollar initial job claims is positive. Everything is good. Initial jobless claim is 2.50k. So it means, as you can see, previous and forecast. I'm going to explain. Okay, previous is 252. Forecast is 260. Basically, the forecast should be bad because initial jobless, yang tidak ada kerja. So the forecast is bad, worse, but the actual is 254. So it's just 2,000 something. So went up, right? Not too much, so it's good. So it's green. So gross domestic product annualized is 1.1%. Is the forecast is good, so 1.3%. Supposedly it's good also. Yes, it's good. So now it's, you can see it's 1.4%. It's good. So good trade balance. It's good trade balance is positive. So actual is, see, negative 58. It's good rather than 62. See this one? See this one? It's the forecast, the previous is negative 59, The forecast is ramalan is 62.6 billion, but the actual is 58. So it's good. Not So why I didn't trade? Because there is an FOMC member Powell speech. If there's a speech like Draghi's speech, Janet Yellen's speech, so these are unpredictable traits. They speak and you don't know what's going to happen. So you need to wait what happened and before you follow the trade. That's what we're doing now. So again, we're using news, candlestick pattern, basic and trend line, and I will add moving average as well. So this is an trading, so I will actually trade. As you can see, okay, weekly later I will come back. So let's see, let's go to my MT4. Okay, now we are in the MT4. Okay, so this is Euro USD. Now in Euro USD, first you need to understand the news. The Euro this morning is bad, unemployment is worse, so it's bad for Euro. The USD is good, but today the Euro went up. Why? Because it's speech. There's an FOMC speech. Now there's a trend line showing that it's hard to break. Wait, I'm not gonna trade. I'm going to show you where it is. This from here to here to here, this is actually trend line. You're using 1 hour. I have this one in 4-hour time frame in my computer, but I cannot do it here. I'm using phone. I'm at the beach, so I'm just basically enjoying myself, enjoying the place, So the resistance is here. This is the resistance. Ini yang resistan. So dia susah mo pecah. It's so hard to break. So if it's so hard to break, it's already trying from this one, from this price, and this price, and this price, touch, break, but didn't break. It went down again. It went up a bit, and until now it's here. So there's a possibility if this price is not gonna break, I'm going to sell, but I cannot sell because the candlestick pattern is too much. It's still on the 1 hour time frame. Two candlestick is bullish, so they are in control of the market, so I cannot take the risk, but it's 1 hour, so we need to wait 1 hour. But I need to check the 4 hour. The 4 hour is still the same, but due to downtrend, sorry for trend. I was watching Train to Busan, so that's why. See, from here to here to here, it's still downtrend. So there's a possibility that you can sell this one. It's giving us 70% already that you can sell. Why? Because first the news was bad on Euro. Okay, let me back. First, why we're going to sell? Because we sell Euro, yeah? Why? Because first, not the game, I will rate you later. So first, unemployment change was worse than expected. It's Euro, it's bad, yeah? Now FOMC speech, we don't know what they said, good or bad, it will affect or not affect, it's not sure. But these three, initial jobless claim, gross domestic product annualized, and good trade is positive. So this three is giving us a buying signal for gold. And tonight 8:32 Southeast Asia time +7 is positive. So as you can see, it's positive. And 10:30 it's morning in 10:30 AM in US dollar. So opportunity daripada US dollar. So kita perlukan tengok bagaimana dia masuk daripada trades kita sekarang. Sekarang kita perlukan tengok kita jual yang Euro USD sebab 3 yang initial job claims, gross domestic product, analysis good trades, dia positif sudah. Tadi daripada petang unemployment change worse Euro. So okay sudah kan? Kita perlukan jual sudah Euro kan? So jual Euro, membeli US dollar sekarang. So kita perlukan, we need to check the euro price again. So in 4 hours is still downtrend, as you can see. As what I point you here to here to here is still downtrend. I have in my computer, but I'm going to show it to you how we trade now. We're going to sell, okay, and we'll see how we're going to make it. So that's what I told you, I'm not taking any risk here, so I'll just trade 1%. I'm going to sell because it's already 10:30 and US dollar they might do something. So after the speech, so basically on speech, what happened on speech, the price is going up and down. See, it's 3 hours now, it's 10:30 10:98. From 8:30, 2 hours from now, the price went down and went up too much. You know, the price went down and went up too much. Dia naik, then dia turun sangat, dia turun, dia naik sangat. Wait 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. I'm not going to sell yet. Chart. So now from 1 hour it's trying to break, so we will take the risk. The stop loss you're going to put here is above this one. This is your stop loss. You can sell and put the take, your stop loss is 1.246 and your take profit will be here, given air. So you don't need to put here, no, but put it here. So 1 2 3, so equivalent to 11 pips possible. So we're going to trade one lot, okay? So we're going to trade one lot, 10 pips equivalent to 100 US dollar. It's good already. But if you're trading bigger, and if the price will go down, it will be much better. So we're going to sell. Going to sell one lot, okay? I will expose 10%. So let's see, we are selling now. So the spread is 3 pips, so it's 30 something, you know. So I'm going to explain what is spread soon. So look at spread. So we'll see, we'll wait what's going to happen. Where I'm selling this one, first the candlestick, the trend line is going down. It's already on resistance, so it didn't break for 2 3. If this gonna break, I'm gonna stop trading, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna take the risk because the news already telling it's good. Okay, so just wait for the news, then I'll be back in few minutes with you. So for now, we wait for the price to go down. Okay, see, I'm only using one lot, so you don't need to expose too much. I'll be back. So now we're going to close the trades that we have last night, about the trading in news using some technical analysis like trend line, resistance, support, and candlestick pattern. So let's see the news from yesterday. This is for today. Actually, we have the consumer price index. It will be positive, so we cannot leave our trades again today because it might go up already. So it's 2 US dollar data and it's a high impact, and we have unemployment also, so it will be the same. So mostly today is the euro. It's +7 GMT time. It's 8:30 a.m. So yesterday we saw the unemployment changes was 1.0. You know, it's negative. So if we sell at this time 5 minutes before, after this one, we might make profit a lot, but I was late, so it's okay. Sometimes opportunity need to go and wait for another one. And we have FOMC member also, right? So let's just go directly. see the trades. Now we're making 10 pips from the trades that we have yesterday. It's not too much, but it's better than nothing, because I forgot to put stop loss at the lowest support resistance. You can see, that's the lowest support. If your take profit was here, 1.120, so expect at least 30 pips. You can make profit. The ratio of currency go up and down 30 to 60 pips. Just look at the high and low. You will see the high and low price, and you will see the gap. So in 24 hours without any big data, you can see that the price will go up and down 20, 30 or 60 pips. So the best thing target is 10 to 20 pips. Security. You don't have any risk to take, and your trade is beautiful. You're not exposing too much. You don't have to work stressful, emotions control as well. So now let's see if we're going to close this one. As today it's 10:36, so we might close this one before 11, because the 11:12 it will be the euro momentum also is coming for 3 p.m. So let's see, and let's try to close it. I don't want to close it, but I need to take this one. Close. Alright, so we're supposed to make profit at least 1,000, from the price here. The price here we bought until here it's almost 30 pips, so we almost make 300 for one contract, but 120 is okay already, better than nothing. So where's my history? So now let's see, we have a profit of 120. So that's it. All my training, I'll be giving a training, so you can follow me or like this video, and also share your thoughts. I'm just like you, beginner, pro, it's all the same, because the market will change. No strategy will last. You need to understand the trend line, market. You need to understand the market, why the price move, and also you need to understand the trend lines, resistance and support, candlestick, basic candlestick pattern, and the ratio, and also important the time frame and the impact of the news. So that's it. I'm going to have a great day now, and I'll be looking at the trade later we'll see what's the trade later. It's the euro USD momentum. So the euro didn't went down too much, and it's in the lowest price also. So if this price will be okay, I'll be buying more. Alright, per euro we have consumer price index. Consumer price index is really, really big news also. So we'll see. And tonight we have Janet Yellen also will speak. Okay, so it's really, really important. So, and we might see what's going to happen. It's already speak, it's already done. So I don't know if what's the impact of this one, but we'll see on the investing that comes soon. As again, if you want to, I'm offering. If you want some training, latihan ka, apa ka, you need to understand the basic, because without the basic you cannot go to step 2. You need to start from step 1, understand what is bid, high and bid, resistance and support, candlestick pattern, and some indicator. There's a lot of indicator that you can use: Fibonacci retracement, MACD, moving average. So I'm concentrating moving average because it's really, really accurate. I'm using this strategy for almost 6 months already, and so far I'm making 70% ratio profit. I lost 30% sometimes due to emotions, but it doesn't mean that I need to stop. But as long as you trade 5%, your trades will be okay. And as long as you have guidance, you need to understand the market. So you can contact me. I can be your personal training if you want. It's free, as long as you trade with me, and that will be great. So let's make profit. Have a great day. Would like to have a great day also. Wish you all the best, and don't forget to like. this video. All right, so cheers. I'm signing off. Bye bye.